So welcome back. Listen here. What they are given: the average of age of father, mother, and daughter is 40. Is it right? So what it means? Very simple. You take that one as F, M, and F, M as well as B. Okay. Now what they said, in 5 years the mother. Okay, the 5 years the mother will be twice the daughter's age. Okay. So you just consider, and in 10 years father will be, for the age will be 5 more than twice his daughter's age. Okay, and now we have to find the father's current age. Okay, first of all they given average of father months. Okay, average means what? You have to add these three, so divided by 3, etc. 3 numbers, and what is that? 40. Is it right? So automatically you know, so make it as translation: F plus M plus D. F for father, M for mother, D for daughter is equal to 120. Is it right? Okay, we just take it as equation number 1. It's very simple. And in 5 years, so in 5 years means what? After 5 years, who will be? So mother will be, is it right? Mother will be, so after 5 years, so M plus 5, mother will be means, or always will be, is and are, you just represent by equal to. Okay, twice her daughter. So at the time daughter also, after 5 years she will get some age. Twice means what? You have to go by into 2. Okay, so now you just solve this equation: M plus 5 equal to 2D plus 10. Is it right? So you take M as one side, automatically if you take term means what? 2D plus 10, you take the 5 at that side, so it is equal to 2D plus 5. Is that right? M is equal to 2D plus 5. You consider this equation as number 2. Is it right? And now after 10 years, so after 10 years, is it right? For the father, so after 10 years, F plus 10, everybody, is it right? Father will become, after his daughter also will be having some 10 years. Okay, some age plus 10 years. After he is, listen here, in 10 years the father's age will be 5 more than twice. Is it right? So first of all you make it as twice, and you have to make it as 5 more. More means what? Plus. Twice means what? You just multiply by 2. So automatically what you do, you have to just represent by, so 2D plus 20 and then plus 5. Is it right? So F plus 10, which is equal to this one. So you take, consider F as one side and you take remaining as another side. Okay, so F is equal to 2D. So here 20 plus 25, then minus 10. Okay, so 25 minus 10 is 15. Is it right? So automatically you'll be getting a plus 15. Is it right? So it is going to be the actual thing. So here, next one. Now listen me. So what you do, you take this as equation number 1. Already you consider, is it right? Now what you do, M, you take it as this equation number 2. This is of first average, and this is of mother, and finally this is of the father. Is it right? Okay, now you just consider about this one. So 25 minus 10 is 15. That is right. Okay. Okay, now listen me. We go to the next step, and it's because somewhat it is different, but it's different. Okay, what you do better, you just go for some calculation. Subtract 2 from equation number 3. Okay, what is the 2? So M. Okay, what is the equation number 3? It is F, etc. You have to subtract 3 from 2. Okay, so 3 from 2 means what? Automatically, so better you just have this one as a F minus 2D. Okay, F minus 2D, and then which is equal to, which is equal to 15. Is it right? Yes, so it is equal to 15. F minus 2D, which is equal to 15. This also equation number 3. So you please consider this as equation number 3. Okay, so that is a majority. It also be great. So here also for simplicity, so you make the second equation as, so better all the time you relate the mother and father as mother and daughter as one side, and father and daughter also as another side. Okay, so better here, listen here. So if I just make M minus 2D means what? M minus 2D is equal to, what is 10 minus 5? It is a 5. Is it right? So automatically just consider this one as equation number 2. Okay, no issues. So subtract 2 from 3 means what? You take 3 and you have to eliminate the 2. Okay, so 3, what is that? F minus 2D. Left hand side. Is it right? And then minus. Eliminate the 2. What's the 2? M minus 2D. Is it right? M minus 2D. Okay, and M minus 2D, and automatically you will get right hand side is equal to there, because we are considering only the constants on the right hand side. There is 5. Is it right? So here is 15. So 15 minus 5. So what is that? So F minus 2D. So better I just consider minus M, and then afterwards plus 2D. Is it right? Is equal to 10 and then afterwards f, so 2d will get cancelled, so f minus m, which is equal to 10. Okay, the difference between father and mother with the age will be 10. So do you understand from here? So from here, so difference between husband and wife is 10. Okay, to take this question number 4. Now what do you do? Add, because we subtract 2 and 3, is it right? Now we add 2 and 3. Because this and all some small techniques. Okay, add 2 and 3 means what? Simple. So what is that? F minus 2d, and you have to add plus m minus 2d, is it right? Okay, m minus 2d. So here what you have, f plus m minus 4d, is it right? Which is equal to the left hand side there is a 15. So here is 15, right? Right hand side there is 5. You have to add. So it is equal to 20. Right? Okay, very simple, is it right? So you make this equation as equation number 5. And afterwards what you do? You have to make a subtraction of equation 4 from 1. But it is somewhat equal. Okay. So what is your subtraction? F minus m, is it right? From 1. So that you have to consider. So how do I say that really? So very good, and listen here. So you are consider subtracting 4 from 1, is it right? So better you take the first equation. What is the first equation? F plus m plus d. Okay. Now we have to eliminate the 4. What is the fourth one? F minus m. This is left hand side, right? Take the right hand side. What is there? 120 is there. What is the first equation? So what is the fourth equation? Equation number 4 is 120, and you have to make it as equation of 4 number 1. 120 minus 20. Okay, subtract equation number f plus m. Just a moment, please. Okay, guys, listen. So what it do means here we have to make a subtraction. Okay, so you just make subtraction of 5 from 1. Okay, for my simplicity, so that will be more good. So it is not condition, is very easy. If you follow me, everything is easy. Okay, but fifth equation, this is the fifth equation, is that right? So you have to eliminate the 5 from the 1. So take the 1, f plus m plus d. Okay, and you have to eliminate the fifth equation. So f plus m minus 4d. You take a left hand side, is it right? Where is there? 120, is it right? So there it is 120. So here it is 120 minus, here it is 20, is it right? So 20. So automatically what you have? So here automatically you will just get f cancel, because there is minus, right? And plus m, and there minus m is cancelled, and here plus d, and there will be minus into minus plus. So d plus 4d, 5d. 5d is equal to, what is 120 minus 20? 100, is it right? So automatically d will be equal to 100 by 5 is, what is 100 by 5? 20, is it right? So d, you got it as 20. Okay. Now what do you do? So because I don't have much space, I just explain out here. Okay, no issues, no problem. So apply. So apply the value of d. Okay, apply the d value. So otherwise I write apply d in 1. So okay, what is that? F plus m plus d equal to 120. D is 20, right? So f plus m plus 20 is equal to 120. Automatically f plus m is equal to 120 minus 20 is 100. Is it right? Okay, that's why I told you, right? Because this equation and this equation are relating, right? Because f minus m is equal to 10. So automatically f plus m is equal to what? So this simple one. Okay, the consideration. So automatically it will be 100 f plus m. So once if f plus m is 100 means what? M is equal to 100 minus f. Is it right? So 100 minus f about the m. Okay. And now we gotta apply this one over here. Okay. In the first equation. So what do you have? So already you know. So f is there. Equation number 1. Okay. Now plus. What is the m? 100 minus f. Okay. And what is the d? D is 20. Now I'm applying 1. Okay, apply d value comma m value in first equation. That is why I'm going. F is here. So instead of m, I'm applying 100 minus f. And d, you know the value. What is the value? It is 20. So it is 20. So it is equal to 120. So automatically what you have, f plus. So here it is a f of already available. Is it right? So no issue about this. So automatically what you have, 100 minus f is no problem. Just a moment. Okay, please listen here, one small thing. Okay, so what it means, please apply the m value. Okay, so what it means, m value is available, is it right? So apply m value in equation number 4. Okay, that is be more better. Okay, So what is the fourth equation? You know the fourth equation here, is it right? Yes, so f minus, what is 100 minus f? M value, is it right? It's equal to 10. Or, so we just make a box here. So what is f minus or minus f? So f minus 100, and then afterwards you just know about this one, and which you call just 1 second. Okay, please just, that's how only the simple solution. Okay, so 2f, is it right? F minus or minus is 2f. Okay, 2f, we get 2f is which is equal to minus 100. If you go there means what? Plus 100, so 110. Therefore f is equal to 110 divided by 2, which is equal to 55. This is the final answer. Okay, so please make it a 55 answer. Thank you very much. You don't feel as the biggest question, please try that, you can do better. Thank you.